Today, let's take a look at something that Kristen grew from seed. Hi, and welcome to Garden Fix. I'm Rob, and I'm in Zone 6B, Western Pennsylvania. Today, we're taking a look at this beautiful plant from the Caryophyllaceae family. It is a dianthus. It's a fringed dianthus called lace perfume. Now, I thought I'd take the time to talk about it right now because it's in full bloom. This is a perennial that is hardy in zones 3 through 9. So it can handle temperatures down to below negative 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, this particular variety that Kristen grew from seed last year grows about 12 to 18 inches tall and about 12 to 24 inches wide. If we come in here and take a look at the foliage, you can see that the foliage is kind of thin, grayish green foliage, and the stems are long and sturdy. Now, the seed packet for lace perfume said that the flowers could be anywhere from rose to pink to lilac to white to even bicolored. As you can see, this is a lilac colored one we have growing here. You can see that the flowers have these beautiful 5 petals that are serrated at the edges. Now, a fringed dianthus like this can bloom from spring through summer, and you can extend the time even a little longer than that if you're deadheading it. So there's a chance you could have this blooming from spring all the way through fall. This fringed dianthus is a clumping form, and if you want to, you can divide this, and the best time to do that would be in spring or in fall. Now, lace perfume could be grown in pretty much any type of soil, but it does prefer a rich soil, and especially a well-draining soil. You should water it until it gets established, and then you really don't have to do much with this plant when it comes to watering, maybe once a week. Now, unlike most dianthus, this dianthus smells wonderful. It attracts pollinators like crazy. It'll attract hummingbirds. It'll attract butterflies. The closer you get to this, the more you feel like you're in heaven. All right, there you go. If you want a plant that smells wonderful, looks wonderful, can be used for cut flowers, this is your plant, lace perfume. It's a fringed dianthus. It's fantastic if you use it on borders or on rock gardens. And it is an herbal plant, and I know that there are some ideas for these herbal plants. I believe this is actually edible. You might want to look that up. But yeah, what a fantastic plant. What a beautiful color. And it's so soft and elegant. I just don't know how you can pass this one up. All right, guys, so that's all I have for you. Thank you for joining us here. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Come and find us on Instagram if you want to. And until next time, remember, the earth is a canvas. Paint it.